Ah, Aladdin, a magical tale of adventure, flying carpets, and a certain mischievous genie. Glowing star. While the original NES version of Aladdin might not be as widely celebrated as its SNES and Genesis counterparts, it still holds a nostalgic charm for those who remember it fondly. Let's explore how you can revisit this classic gem on modern platforms. Emulators and ROMs. The most straightforward way to play NES games like Aladdin today is through emulators. These software programs mimic the NES hardware on your computer or other devices. First, find a reliable NES emulator. There are several available for Windows, Mac OS, and even mobile devices. Some popular ones include FCEUX, Nestopia, and Mezen. Next, search for the Aladdin NES ROM file. A ROM is essentially the game data that you'll load into the emulator. Once you have both the emulator and the ROM, open the emulator, load the ROM, and voila! You're ready to relive Aladdin's adventures. Online emulators. If you prefer not to install anything, you can use online NES emulators. These run directly in your web browser. Websites like Old Game Shelf offer a collection of classic NES games, including Aladdin. Just visit their site, find the game, and start playing right in your browser. Virtual console or retro collections. Some modern gaming platforms, such as the Nintendo Switch, offer virtual console services. These allow you to purchase and play classic NES games legally. Unfortunately, Aladdin isn't officially available on the NES Virtual Console, but you might find other beloved titles there. Unofficial ports and remakes. Keep an eye out for fan-made or unofficial ports of Aladdin to modern platforms. Sometimes dedicated fans create updated versions or adaptations. While these aren't always endorsed by Disney or the original developers, they can be a fun way to experience the game with a fresh twist. Physical NES consoles and cartridges. If you're a purist and want the authentic experience, consider tracking down an original NES console and a copy of Aladdin. Collecting retro games can be a rewarding hobby, and there's something magical about blowing into a cartridge before inserting it into the console. Ah, nostalgia. Remember, whether you're playing on an emulator, a virtual console, or an original NES, the heartwarming memories of Aladdin's quest to win Jasmine's heart and thwart Jaffar's plans will always stay with you. Bow and arrows sparkles. And hey, if you ever need a magic carpet ride to escape the daily grind, just fire up Aladdin and let the adventure unfold. Estrella fugaz videojuego. Is there anything else from the world of retro gaming that piques your interest? Perhaps another classic title or a hidden gem waiting to be rediscovered. Aladdin for NES. A nostalgic adventure. Aladdin, released for the Nintendo Entertainment System, NES, takes players on a magical journey